Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic muscle injuries. In the muscle injuries, now we will discuss about the sprain. Sprain, now we have to try to understand what is sprain. Sprain means it is very painful and it restricts the movement of joints. There is swelling as there is a lot of internal bleeding. It means it is injury of ligament or torn ligament around the joints. It occurs due to overstretching of ligament or twisting of joint. So it means when we have to put just overloaded or put overload on the muscles, then the ligament has torn and the joint, if we will try to move more twisting of joints just beyond the limit, then sprain is possible in muscles. And now sprain injury is common in knees, ankle, wrist or elbow joints. It means where there is a joints and in the joint there is some more tissues or connecting the muscles to each other, then on that part sprain can possible. Now it can be prevented by the warming up and avoid jerky movements, same as strain. Now we will discuss about the first aid which we have to apply it for the injury sprain, and how we have to manage the sprain. So we have to go at first to give the complete rest to the injured person or affected part which is injured from the sprain. Next one, we have to go to refer the riser. As earlier we have to discuss regarding the riser: rest, ice, compression, elevation and rehabilitation. Through this formula we have to use on sprain or strain also, and we feel relaxed or we feel the comfortable regarding the sprain injury. Then after that we will discuss about some more important methods of the first aids. On the behalf of that, we have to say we can take relax from the sprain. Same like that, we have to apply the immediately what the bleeding is just going on under the muscles. Then on that part or affected part, we have to give the ice massage after some interval on the affected part and repeat the several times after some intervals. Next one, we have to use the crab bandage to avoid the swelling on the affected part of the muscles. Next ones, we elevate the affected part above the level of heart by splitting or support. And next, after 2 days, we have to use we can say inflammatory cream, just like Move or Volini, etc., and give the slight massage to the affected part of the muscles. And then after, we have to go to the pricer, same as the strain also. We have to use this formula of pricer: the protection, rest, ice, compression, elevation and the rehabilitation. Through these formula also we have to take relax on the affected part by the sprain also. So through the formula pricer and the riser also, both formulas are much effective on the sprain, or through that we can take relax from the sprain injury regarding the muscle injury. Thank you.